Today I'm making butter tart bars. I'm going to a housewarming party tomorrow, which is also a Canada Day party. Butter tarts are quintessentially Canadian. They're like a pioneer type of dessert. I just feel like I want to make a really simple and easy version of butter tarts, so this is what this recipe apparently is. These are butter tart bars from the kitchen Magpie, and she is a food blogger from the prairies. If you're gonna make butter tarts, you have to have a Canadian recipe. Some people don't like to have raisins or nuts or anything in them. I'm gonna use raisins because I like raisins in my butter tarts, so let's get into it. I'm doubling the recipe because I want to make sure that when I go to the actual party, I have a full undisturbed tray to present, and I want to be able to try these bad boys tonight. So the first three ingredients are gonna be flour, brown sugar, and butter. I have the butter chilling in the fridge. The recipe doesn't explain whether you should have it chilling in the fridge or not, but most short crust pastries require you to use cold butter. It says to mix them until they have a crumbly texture. I'm gonna put them in the food processor because I think that's gonna give it a more consistent mix, and also it's super hot out today and my hands are very warm and I don't wanna like melt the butter. So I'm gonna put them all in the food processor now. Okay, so the next step is to whip the filling together. I'm just gonna use like a mixer and my trusty bowl. See how there's like a dent in the side? This is a bowl from IKEA that I bought from a thrift shop in Fulham. This was £2. 2 pounds, a secondhand IKEA bowl with a dent. And I remember when I bought it, it was full of like grime. But this is like my only big bowl that I own. I cook in this, I bake in this, I use this for salad. It was £2 at a secondhand shop. Like, that is a testament to how you don't need to have nice things to cook. It's actually quite pitiful that I do all my cooking in this. And at some point I feel like I need to become an adult and upgrade to like a legit baking bowl. Okay, so as soon as this comes out of the oven, we're gonna put the filling on top, and that's gonna go in for about 18 to 20 minutes. And then when they're completely cool, we'll be able to taste them. What are you doing?
Working.
Do you wanna try some butter tarts?
Yeah, I would love to. These look good.
Don't they? I'm gonna have a corner piece. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's amazing.
That is an award-winning butter tart.
I know, it's really good, right?
These are hands down the best butter tarts I've ever eaten.
They're not even tarts, but it doesn't matter, does it? It doesn't even matter. In fact, these are better because my favorite thing about the butter tart is the center. You know when you get those really big butter tarts and they're like really huge flaky crust? I mean, they're good and everything, but the best part is the gooey center, and this is just all center.
Why'd you bring in an odd number of butter squares?
Eat that one.
You don't want it?
I mean, there's a whole tray. Thank you so much for watching.
Give it a thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.